is the next phase in your traditional way? We are using planning, design, analysis, communication, planning, analysis. For analysis purpose, what we are using? Visualize analysis phase. They are providing their data. After that, what will we have to design this classroom? In this classroom, what type of blackboard we want? Size of blackboard, Windows blackboard, where we have to put our fan, where we have to put our lights, where we have to put window, how will we how can we construct that window, where we have to put bench, where we have to put the podium, like this of before implementing we have to analyze. According to that we can able to implement. Suppose we are putting here window, so what will be happen? Putting here, so what will be happen? The air will be passing that class to this class here, but no one will get fresh air, right? But we are analyzing the windows will be present in a near to outside. We can visible to in a screen or any scenario like this. So what will happen? Any fresh air will we can came in your room, right? So after fresh air will become what will happen? We are taking fresh air or oxygen. We can take in fresh oxygen. So according to that we have to plan or we have to analyze the data. That means here user interface analysis. User interface means if we are suppose user want to build this cluster. So for building this cluster, what they want? They want wooden. They want cushion. For cushion, what type of cushion they want? What type of cushion we can use for a dusting purpose? Or what type of wooden we can use? How many types of diameter we have to implement? What type of cushions and what type of stick we have to implement for sticking purpose? We have to before implementing, we have to implement analysis all the details. Then after that we can able to implement. For implementing a UI design model, we have to follow these three models. First one is user model. What is the user model? User model is nothing but he will establish a connection between all the profiles. He will provide a data for all the profiles, like his profile is different, his profile is different, his profile is different, your profile is different. Thus he will provide a connection between all the profiles. That nothing but your user model. Second one is design model. Design model is how we can be implementing this data. Suppose we are implementing a duster, so how will we design? This will be in a square shape, and we have to cut this in an angle. We have to put it in cushion. We have to use stick. Like according to that, we have to use for our design model. The design model is nothing but it provide an interface between a system and user. And nothing but the third one is system for nothing but your how we can implementing a database. Like your college having some database, you are having also your database will be present in your college. So how will we can implementing that data? That nothing but is one type of perception. Like the students having their database, the students requiring this much capacity or this much MB for storing data. The students having this MB, this student having this MB. According to that perception, we are providing some entities. That nothing but your system perception. Fourth one is implementation model. Implementation model, that nothing but we are implementing a model. Or if we are doing your coding, we are initializing data. After that we are providing input data. After that we are providing output data. After that we are providing a split holding data. After that we are giving output. Right? That output is nothing but our implementation data. That is nothing but your UI design models.